Chapter 1. Dive into computer classifications. Today, computers come in various types and can be categorized on the basis of their functioning, size, speed, processing power and cost, including some special types of computers that serve unique purposes. Categories of computers on functionality. On the basis of their functioning or data handling capability, computers can be classified into three categories. Analog computer. An analog computer is a computer which is used to process analog data. Analog computers store data in a continuous form of physical quantities and perform calculations with the help of measures. These computers operate by measuring instead of counting. It measures the continuously changeable physical quantities like voltage, pressure, water flow, etc. This type of computers generally displays the output in the form of a graph. Mercury thermometer and speedometer in cars are examples of analog computers. Digital computer. Digital computer refers to a computer that uses binary digits to generate, process, and display data. It is designed to perform calculations and logical operations at high speed. The results produced by the computers are more accurate than that of analog computers. It can perform mathematical calculations, organize and analyze data, control industrial and other processes, and simulate dynamic systems such as global weather patterns. All the modern computers that we use like desktop, laptop, and smartphone are examples of digital computers. Hybrid computer. Hybrid computer refers to a computer that provides the functionality of both an analog and a digital computer while processing and displaying data. It uses the speed of analog computer and accuracy from digital computer. It can process both continuous and discrete data. This type of computers is generally used in scientific research and specialized applications. Heartbeat measuring machine is the common example of the hybrid computer. Categories of computers on size, speed, and processor. Computers differ in their size, speed, and processor. On the basis of these factors, computers can be classified into four categories. Microcomputer. Microcomputer is also called as personal computer, PC. It is a type of computer that has one microprocessor as its processing unit. This type of small computer is made to be used by a single user at a time. They actually form the foundation for present-day microcomputers and smart gadgets that we use in day-to-day life. Look at some of the examples of microcomputers below. Desktop is a personal computer placed at a single place on a desk or table. All its peripherals are connected through wire or wireless. Due to its size and power requirements, we cannot carry this type of computers. The desktop computers that you see in most offices, schools, colleges and homes are microcomputers. Laptop is a portable versions of desktop PCs that can be kept on our lap and suitable for use while traveling. It has a built-in mouse, a monitor and a keyboard. It works on rechargeable battery. Laptops are mostly used by marketing executives who travel frequently far from their offices. FactGPT. In 2024, Lenovo introduced Project Crystal, a transparent laptop with a microLED screen and AI-enhanced features. It includes a virtual keyboard and AR integration, offering a glimpse into the future of human-computer interaction. Netbooks are smaller than laptops and usually do not have DVD drives. They are small, lightweight PCs designed for basic computing such as browsing, email, and web processing. E-book readers are used to store and read books, newspapers, and magazines. Kindle is an example of an e-book reader. FactGPT. Raspberry Pi is small microcomputer that is designed for hobbyists and enthusiasts. It consists of a single-board computer that can be used for various purposes, such as robotics, home automation, etc. Tablet is a portable computer smaller than the laptop. It has a touchscreen as its primary input device instead of mouse. It also works on a rechargeable battery, but it has less features than a laptop. Tablets are commonly used by professionals in various organizations. Minicomputer. A minicomputer is larger and more powerful than a microcomputer. It is typically the same size as a refrigerator. It can contain one or more microprocessors as its processing unit. This type of computer is mainly used for scientific and engineering computations. A minicomputer has the capability to serve a number of users simultaneously. For example, PDP-11, PDP-8, HP-2100, HP-3000, etc. Mainframe computer. Mainframe computer is very large, fast and more powerful than minicomputer. It can have multiple microprocessors as its processing unit. Some mainframe computers are so big that they require space as large as that of a room. These are commonly called as big iron. They are usually used by big organizations for bulk data processing like government offices, airlines and banks where a huge amount of data is used. For example, IBM series, IBM 4381, ICL 39, 10th December and NEC 610. Supercomputer. Supercomputer is the biggest, fastest and most powerful of all types of computers. Even some supercomputers require much space as that of a floor of a building. They can process a very large amount of data quickly. They are used by government departments to do tasks such as weather forecasting and rocket launching. Throughout the history, supercomputers have been essential in the field of cryptanalysis. For example, Jaguar, Roadrunner, Pace, Titan, Sunway Taihu-Lite, Pratyush, Mihir, etc. Fact GPT. The Param 8000 was the first machine in the series and was built from scratch. Vijay P. Bhatkar is best known as the architect of India's national initiative in supercomputing where he led the development of Param supercomputers in 1991. Servers. Servers are nothing but dedicated computers which are set up to offer some services to the clients. They are named depending on the type of service they offered. For example, security server, database server, etc. Workstations. Workstations are the computers designed to primarily to be used by single user at a time. They run multi-user operating systems. They are used by businesses or professionals for their work. They have more potent components than a standard personal computer, PC. Special computers. A is a specialized computer hardware device that have the capabilities of a general-purpose computer but is designed to only do specific tasks. Let's learn about these computers in detail. Embedded computers. An embedded computer is a special type of microprocessor-based system that is developed for performing a specific task. It is different from general-purpose computer like a PC. Embedded computers are used in various applications including consumer electronics, industrial automation, automotive systems, medical devices and aerospace and defense system. Let's learn about some embedded computers in detail. Digital camera is one of the most commonly used devices. Due to the use of embedded computers in it, these cameras become very smart and provides lots of features that were not present in older cameras. The main function of a camera is to capture photographs and shoot videos. It also has a memory to store the captured photos and videos. The microwave oven allows us to warm and cook food. It contains a computer system embedded inside to control the time and temperature. It often has a display, keyboard, and a number of sensors and actuators. Automated teller machine (ATM) allows us to withdraw money from our bank account anywhere and anytime. This machine is connected with the bank's server. When we withdraw money from the ATM, an equal amount is debited from our bank account. We can also deposit money, transfer money from one account to another, and even print a statement of account transactions. Handheld computers. A is a handheld computer, miniature computer that can conveniently be stored in a pocket of sufficient size and used while holding it in our hands. Most of the handheld computers have a touch screen in which we input data by using our fingers. Let's learn about some handheld computers in detail. Smartphone is type of cellular telephone with an integrated computer and other features such as an operating system, web browsing, and the ability to run software applications. It has a touch screen and a rechargeable battery. The size of the smartphone is smaller than the tablet computer. A smartwatch is a wearable computing device which closely resembles a wristwatch or other timekeeping device. It provides the features of an older watch and some advanced features of smartphone like connecting to the internet, using mobile apps and making phone calls, etc. Personal Digital Assistant (PDA) is a handheld computer that has a touchscreen and allows to organize our daily routine works like schedules, calendars, and address book information. It also has a pen-like stylus which allows us to give input. It can also accept handwritten input directly from the touchscreen. FactGPT. Vision Pro is Apple's wearable spatial computing device. Gaming console, also called video game console, is a computing device specially designed to play video games. We can connect the gaming console with television to play games. Some commonly used examples of the gaming consoles are PS5, Sony PlayStation, Nintendo GameCube, and Nintendo Wii. Test your knowledge. Surf the internet and find different types of smartwatches available along with its features. Recapitulate. Nowadays, different types of computers are used that can be categorized on the basis of their functioning, size, speed, processing power, and cost. On the basis of their functioning, computers can be classified into three categories: analog, digital, and hybrid computers. Computers differ in their size, speed, and processor. On the basis of these factors, computers can be classified into four categories: microcomputer, minicomputer, mainframe computers, supercomputers, servers, and workstations. Digital camera, microwave, and ATM are some of the examples of embedded computers. Smartphone, smartwatch, PDA, and gaming console are some commonly used examples of handheld computers. Gloss GPT. Analog computer, a computer which is used to process analog data. Digital computer, a computer that uses digits, binary numbers, zeros and ones, to generate, process, and display data. Hybrid computer, a computer that provides the functionality of both an analog and a digital computer while processing and displaying data. Embedded computer, a special type of microprocessor-based system that is developed for performing a specific task. Handheld computer, a miniature computer that can conveniently be stored in a pocket of sufficient size and used while holding it in our hands.